Good morning everyone. मैं लखनभाई मीना, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इंग्लिश फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज चौमेला जालम। आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में हार्दिक अभिनंदन है। आज पढ़ेंगे अपन विलियम कॉलेज की अप टू इवनिंग। ठीक है, सर्वप्रथम पोइट के इंट्रोडक्शन के बारे में जान लेते हैं। देखिए, William Collins was born in 1721 at Chichester. He studied at Oxford. During his college life, Collins published some of his works and his Persian ecology and epistle. ठीक है, अब देखिए नेक्स्ट। In 1747 appeared his work on different subjects. Collins was extremely sensitive temperamentally. His friendship with Thomson was a pleasant interlude. Thomson's death in 1747 shocked him severely. He wrote one of the finest odes in his memory. ठीक है, अब देखिए आगे। Collins lived an unhappy life almost throughout his life. He was discouraged by marital worries. He left behind an unfinished ode on popular superstitions of Highland. Left behind an ठीक है, इसका जो अनफिनिश्ड ओड था वो है ऑन पॉपुलर सुपरस्टिशंस ऑफ हाईलैंड। प्रोफेसर जसवीर जैन पॉइंट्स आउट that William Collins 1721 मतलब 59. He is a poet whose name is often mentioned with grace. He is a dominant influence on her later 18th century poetry. Collins moved to London in the 1740s, where he met Thomson and several other literary figures like Dr. Samuel Johnson. During the last few years of his life, he suffered from severe melancholia. He died in 1759 at an early age of 38. ठीक है, इसकी डेथ मतलब 38 की एज में ही हो गई थी। अब देखिए पोएम और टू द इवनिंग, थोड़ा सा इसके इंट्रोडक्शन के बारे में भी जान लेते हैं। Ode to Evening by Collins is an ode addressed to evening and describes the scenes of the setting sun and the setting in of dusk. ठीक है, evening is personified as a modest maiden. The poem is descriptive in nature, but at point the poet seeks inspiration from the beautiful surroundings and establishes a connection with the pastoral scene at another level. ठीक है, अब देखिए नेक्स्ट। Ode to Evening is one of the famous poems of Collins. Regius calls it the most adequate lyric of the century. It was composed in 1747. मतलब ये 1747 को कंपोज की गई थी, रची गई, मतलब इसकी रचना 1747 में हुई। It is the most perfect composition and shows Collins' poetic faculty at its height. It is a fine example of his love of nature. ठीक है, it shows his power of describing natural scenes. It gives intimate and sensitive suggestion of twilight. The whole poem is steeped in the evening glow. The soothing atmosphere of the evening helps the poet to produce soft music and suits his quiet and melancholy mood. ठीक है, अब देखिए नेक्स्ट। The Ode to Evening is a prophecy of the nature poetry to come in future. There are lines in the poem which Shelley might have written, especially those about the evening sky. ठीक है, अब देखिए, among all the after poets he is nearest to the sentiments and language of Keats. Yet the thing is free from intimation either of Spenser, Morville or Milton. Moreover, though it suggests the names of Keats and Shelley, it could not have been written by them. It is all Collins' own, with all his remote sound of sheet and gracious sadness in it, the gradual dusky valley of his verse. ठीक है, अब ये पोइम का भी इंट्रोडक्शन हो गया। अब देखिए पोइम मतलब टेक्स्ट के बारे में इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन पढ़ेंगे अपन। देखिए देखिए पहले If he out of Eton stop or pastoral song I hope, O chastity, to see the thin modest ear, like thy own Solomon spring, thy spring and thy gales. ठीक है, हाँ देखिए पहले तो इसके नेक्स्ट देखिए फेस्टेरल मीन्स ग्रामीण, ई मीन्स इवनिंग संध्या, सूद मीन्स ईज, सोलेवन मीन्स पीसफुल, डाइंग गेल्स मीन्स स्विफ्ट वाइंड बिकमिंग स्लो, मतलब तेज हवा धीरे धीरे मंद पड़ती हुई। अब देखिए इसके एक्सप्लेनेशन के बारे में देखिए Episode of Eton stop or pastoral song, I hope, O chastity, to soothe thine modest ear, like thy own Solomon springs, thy springs and thy gales. देखिए एक्सप्लेनेशन देखिए These are the opening lines of Collins' Ode to Evening. The poet addressed his evening as pious and chastity-minded grave nymph. ठीक है, अब देखिए आगे He requested her to teach him the sweet and tender music which is echoed by the valley in the evening. ठीक है, अब देखिए नेक्स्ट The poet asks her if the music produced by the odd struck pipes or the pastoral songs sung by shepherds should stop. ठीक है, अब देखिए नेक्स्ट The poet said that he hopes to soothe her ears just as her own grave echoes, and silencing wind soothe them. ठीक है, अब देखिए इसमें क्रिटिकल नोट्स ये बनेंगे। पहला पॉइंट है The characteristic things to be noted here is the description of natural phenomena through suggestion. ठीक है, The poet also wants to soothe the ears of evening, just as the shepherds do with the soft tunes played on their pipes. ठीक है, ठीक है, अब आपको इसे लर्न करना है, कल नेक्स्ट पॉइंट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे।